Hey, see us in Costa Rica. Where we at?
Hey,
Costa Rica. Just said Costa.
eating that Centurion Lounge bread and cheese.
No, look, actually look at the flag. We're in North Korea. We got the sign.
Did you hear this guy?
What?
The flag looks like North Korea's.
Day 2 in Costa Rica with the boys.
Let's go. Dude, that plane is like as tall as us.
Oh.
I'll take a video of you fools too.
Let's do it.
Hey.
Hey.
Look at this tiny plane. I feel so safe right now.
Thank you for flying with Sansa. Enjoy.
Juan has found a trail.
For Juan in his rainforest habitat.
Nice cargo shorts.
Yo. Oh, do I see a beautiful butterfly? I feel something crawling up my skin.
Don't you have bug spray?
I do. But they still, they prevent that.
Do these have the zip off? Like,
Tear off.
not to tear out the zip off things. Oh, it doesn't?
No,
Damn.
not that one.
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit. We are in the Veragua Rainforest right now. That's all I have. Phases.
One.
Glasses look.
Juan
Very
is
American.
off and exploring.
Looks like the top.
Hey, look at one flying.
Oh, dude, you know what I think that is? Acai.
Oh, is it?
I think so.
Andrew.
Actually, you might be right.
I think that's acai.
Oh, shit.
I thought I said he's purple.
Andrew doesn't need to.
Yeah,
Oh,
up
maybe it's
there.
not ripe.
Oh, it's right now.
Like further up.
What about these?
There's someone up there too.
Yo.
Oh yeah. Hey, where the shorty girls at?
All right, we ziplining.
This guy. Let me take it out real quick.
I'm not scared at all.
Don't throw out your hand trying to break.
Dude, did you feel that? It just
Yeah.
like- I didn't expect it to. I guess it's the rubber.
Okay, friend. Bye.
It's a momentum.
Bye bye.
Woo! Libre.
Libre. Libre was freedom.
Oh.
So just hold here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoop. Hey, thumb break.
Woohoo! Costa Rica, baby! Yeah!
A cachete, ah.
Sí.
Sí, sí.
No sé, pero sí.
A cachete es como cuando uno está muy bien.
Uh,
Entonces, bueno, cuando uno está muy bien, uno dice, ma, a cachete.
Yeah, when you're like really confident.
Yeah, a cachete,
Yeah, what's
cachete
this?
es esto, right?
What's what?
you see this? This is a spider.
It's gonna kill us.
All right.
Angle. No breaking. Cash, cash. You go, right?
Yep.
Okay, and a little push, right?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and go.
Woohoo! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Let's go, baby!
Ah, my man. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Damn, why did Sal have to return the GoPro? No, dude.
True. This one's pretty long.
Yeah.
That one is nice.
There's a competition.
What if you yelled go instead of that guy so he goes?
Tengo 14 años y cada vez lo disfruto.
A eso. Así se tiene que vivir la vida, ¿sabes? Siempre digo, cuando uno hace cualquier cosa, uno tiene que hacerlo con pasión.
Compasión,
About to go home and put the Google
exactamente.
Translate.
I was telling him that, dude, everything that you do, you gotta do with passion, man.
That's true.
Because,
Oh,
like,
compasión,
dude, most
yeah.
people in USA, they have no passion, dude. They're like, oh my job. I'm like, bro, show passion, you know?
No
You gotta do the
passion,
job.
What about
no
IBM?
vision.
Oh, I show passion, dude.
Whenever he's
Oh,
bugging.
BQE.
Oh, fuck no. I mean, F no, sorry. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
What about Caval? What? Yeah, put that away.
Yeah, mighty.
Mighty. Hey, bless Mighty, bro.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Look at the picture.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks like durian.
Yeah, because then when you
Oh.
cook it, then it browns
This
up.
is cacao chocolate.
Eso. Eso es muy bacano.
Toma, amigos.
Eso va a comer.
Solo chuparlo, ¿verdad? La semilla no se come.
You don't eat the seaweed, you just suck it.
Agarra la fruta.
Boy, I'm putting this in my mouth.
Mmm. Mmm.
Ooh, it's like
Toma.
slimy.
Agárralo todo.
Gracias. Oh,
What
Mm.
does it taste like?
sweet.
Mm.
Oh, it's like super sweet.
Yeah. I can't believe this is chocolate, man.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Sour too.
¿Quieren llevarse en uno?
Ah, bueno, ya voy a hacer.
¿Se lo llevan para casa uno más?
Should we take one or
Toma
not?
en el camino.
Sure,
No.
just take one.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, so when you were at the airport, they were just like,
Wow. ¿Y por la piel, sabes qué tipo de culebra es?
Sí, porque digamos, ella siempre,
How do you say snake in
siempre se ve
Spanish?
enrollada en las esquinas.
Or serpiente.
Serpiente.
Yeah, like serpent, but serpiente.
Snakes.
El chino le gusta comer la serpiente. El chino.
Chino. I like how you point at you. Nosotros chinos.
Sí, pues lo estás pidiendo, digo, él. Solo él.
Hey, Taylor's house special.
wow, dude.
Seafood.
Poo platter.
Do you mind asking her if I can get a side of rice? Sure, I'll ask her.
Hola amiga. Para mi amigo acá, ¿te puedes dar un platico pequeño de arroz? Arroz. White rice, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Y de arroz blanco. Gracias. Muy amable. Yeah, eso, perfecto. Wow. If anyone sees you say I'm not even watching. Oh, digo.
Esta cama, bueno, me dijeron que eran 5, entonces esta cama está lista para turismo. Y bueno, esta la dejamos así, no sé si
Hey, we living out here.
Bro, that's badass. We have monkeys in their backyard. Those are howler monkeys.
How we gonna sleep?
True.
Actually, no. You know what I think those are actually? I think those are spider monkeys. The howler monkeys, they're...
All right, we're at Playa Cahuita
Por Cahuita.
con Juan
Parque.
y Pakistani y Chino.
Un taiwanese.
Taiwanese.
Eso.
Yo soy taiwanese.
¿Dónde están mujeres?
Sí, están a la izquierda.
Por Juan, how do you say talk to them?
Para que yo pueda hablar con ellas.
Hey Juan, hey, go flirt with that chick in the pink.
Espera, yo tengo que mirar si está soltera.
Go Juan.
Tengo que ver si...
Hey Juan, you said you're gonna do it.
Hey,
Bro, hey, if you were here with your parents, I understand, but you're here with the boys.
We are not your parents.
Hey, but I don't even know how you play.
It is, huh?
God damn. All right, this is day 3 in Costa Rica. Juan saw a capuchin monkey. I saw it too. Juan saw it, said that there's a baby with the monkey.
You need long pants to go in here. You don't know what's in there.
It rained last night, so maybe the bugs and shit are coming out right now.
You know, right? Check over here.
Did you learn anything about the howler monkeys?
No, I just learned that they could also be black monkeys. Cause I thought it was a spider monkey. I didn't know. You saw pictures in the chat.
Yeah.
I always thought they were red. But no, they could be black also.
Dude, hey, what does that look like?
Oh my god. Hey man, it makes me kind of want to stick something in there.
The monkeys went somewhere else.
Yeah, where'd the capuchin go? Oh, you hear that? It's topping trees. Oh yeah, look. See the branch moving?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
That's probably the capuchin.
It is. Yeah, the white face.
Yeah.
There's another one here. Oh yeah, there's another one.
That's so cute. Hello.
Got some banana trees in the backyard. Got some monkeys in the backyard. And we have a narco in the backyard.
Yeah, vamos.
Oh, it's soft. It's soft. No, but don't eat the seed. Like
Oh, I see, just suck on it.
bite around the outside.
I see. Oh man, because the one I have in my lip makes it hard.
You can't even see it in the frame.
Where we at?
Is this
Rica?
bro? Yo, you suck. I don't think you can see it on the GoPro. Oh my god. Oh shit! Get me out of here!
Yo, it's over here.
That's right behind the thing. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It's in the corner now. Right.
Wait, no, I don't see it.
No, right in the corner where that.
Do you see it?
Yeah, where the hoop is. Oh, you will not be able to get it. Oh my hung lid.
Wait, what happened?
Hey, no, look at the grasshopper.
This guy yelped.
Yo, look at the grasshopper.
Wait, I got it.
Oh, come on, that's a small one.
Oh, bro, hey, show Brian. Show Brian.
No, it's dead, bro.
Oh, dude, the current killed it.
The what killed it?
The current.
Bro, one really picked it up. One
Yeah.
has no fear.
This is really
We're trapped inside. Bro, one. Bro, don't put it on the ground. Look at this.
Yeah,
Wait, hold on. Let me see it.
Bro.
bro, it doesn't do anything.
Yesterday I come 2 times, guided people.
Can you see it from my angle right here?
Through the rain, go away. That's very long. Yeah, wow. Whenever the gate goes past there, it hits. You're gonna hit the gate.
You die, man. You gain powers.
Hey, who's trying to eat the venomous mushroom?
Peppa pass. This ain't no Super Mario Bros.
The best was only from the cold. You got sweet water there.
Oh wow.
That means if you go to the jungle and you're lost, and you see a plant like this, you can drink the water, and if you're hungry, you can eat this.
You want to eat it?
I would eat it. Yeah. Eat the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry.
What does it taste like?
It's very sweet.
The name is green cane, Kanya agria.
Oh wow.
We have a big blue one here, we call it morpho.
Oh, the morpho. I was gonna ask you about that.
When it stands still,
Wow.
Oh, holy cow.
Come back to me. Like a rainforest
Hey,
actually.
Dude's got paparazzi now.
Dude,
Hey, we got that footage back.
We got the footage back.
Yeah, good stuff. Hey, trip back in session, boy.
Hey, now we're using the GoPro to watch Juan go get someone's number.
Now it validates.
Wow, now we can go back.
Oh yeah.
Now it validates turning around.
Now we can go back to the.
Turning around.
Dude, honestly, they're so nice. They
Yeah.
came around for us.
Yeah, and they ran back.
I think they didn't trust the Rangers to give it back to us.
That's true. They might keep it and sell it or something.
Yeah.
Dang. Germany.
See us just Germany, man.
Yes, Germany. And we're not gonna.
We're gonna go inject money into their economy now.
Hey, when they upsell us, we're not gonna haggle.
Yeah. We'd even haggle here.
Yeah, we
The chocolate chip. We're like, hey, first price?
den vornehmen Sturm.
You want to say hi to the GoPro?
Yes.
Yeah.
I forgot his name.
You want to say hi to the GoPro?
It's very good. It's very fast running.
Bye.
You guys.
Ruta de evacuación.
I'm gonna make Brian do the intro. Hey, where are we?
Hey, we're at the Playa Negra. It means beach with black sand, you know?
Yeah.
That's it.
Y estamos en Costa Rica, que se llama así porque la gente son muy...
What's the name of that
Rica.
soccer player that you keep talking
Ah,
about?
Keylor Navas. Esa es la tierra de Keylor Navas. This is the land of Keylor Navas.
Now we're gonna need subtitles.
Hey, does he do what he loves with passion?
Oh yeah, dude. But the teams don't respect him. Campación.
Oh, my bad. I said, hey, who wants a snowball?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, fire, fire.
No, my snowball.
Hey, that's a sight from God. Don't do that shit.
Yeah. Oh, bro.
I can take a snowboard.
Hey, was that like a Top Gun Maverick, you know?
All right, it's 10:40. Where are we going, boys?
We're getting some food because
We're scavenging. He says, I'm hungry. Dry hungry too.
Face hungry.
hungry.
One hungry.
Me food.
Now Juan just gets dragged into it because he's our interpreter.
One has to come or we'll die.
Now we all need to stick together in case that guy's trying to sell a paleta is trying to rob us again.
Remember one.
Oh yeah.
4v1.
Oh yeah.
Not 3v2.
Yeah.
Get off him, get off him.
What if it starts raining?
Then we use one as an umbrella.
We're walking on the main road, documenting our last journey.
Of life.
Alright, I'll record the back.
Thank God. Record the back. We look at the footage, there's just like a...
Hey, what would you guys do if there's a shadow but there's nothing behind us?
Oh, you mean like this?
And then you see like a shadow of a person, but then you turn around, there's no one there.
Oh shit.
I would ask Juan for an explanation.
You'd be dead by then.
Now Juan always has an explanation.
Juan will start speaking to it in Spanish.
Juan will be like, hey, do you have passion for what you do?
Oh no, it doesn't. What if it says no? Does that mean it's not Latino?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No, then hung
Juan's gonna be like, what's your name?
Yeah, ¿cómo se llama? Oh, amigo, ¿cómo te... Una pregunta.
Someone sent the corn video to me.
Oh, nice. Oh, he saw it?
Yeah, he said I'm dead.
Yeah, but I could start scaring me.
Don't worry, I'll tell your story.
Juan stops and doesn't even tell us that he's stopping.
Motherfucking one.
Juan's like, I sense there's gonna be a fight ahead. I'm like, I can take care of it.
Juan got another citizen alert.
Colombian survives fight.
It's like, oh shit, that sounds like me. I gotta chill here for a bit. Why are there so many potholes? It's like so predictable about...
It's because of rain.
What?
It's because bad infrastructure.
No, rain causes...
Hey, let's go in the jungle.
Oh,
Hey Juan, you wanna go, right?
Oh fucking bro, that'd be bad, dude. I'd be down, but
I would not be down.
I would, yeah, that's one thing I would not.
wait, why not? Why Jaguars?
Because of death.
No, but
Alright, if someone offered you $1,000 to walk in like
Dude.
straight for 10 minutes and then you walk back out,
Yeah, I'll do it.
I would not do
I'll do it for 500.
to the rainforest?
Dude, there's no difference. You're just walking at nighttime instead of daytime.
Bro, you can't even see.
I mean, I'm wearing long pants. I have my phone.
No,
It'll be
no
fine.
Okay, that's
No
what does that
flashlight.
do?
No
I
flashlight.
don't think anything's gonna happen to me.
No flashlight, you can't even find your way.
Yeah, that's why.
But if the locals are leaving, should we be leaving?
Are they even close?
Probably. Look at that hat, it's so local.
It's so touristy. Yeah. This fool saw this like, you can take my cowboy hat. I'm like, why the fuck would I make a cowboy hat?
Oh yeah, I got one too when I went.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Dude, they're expensive.
Yeah, they are, dude. Hey, Faze, you see, like...
They're taking the fucking
in
food that
Texas,
others didn't finish.
Look, this was in Texas. I went inside the cave.
Nice.
Phone as per usual. What are you scrolling through? Facebook. Oh. That's how you know I'm old.
Boomer.
Boomer.
Hey, you should have that show. You're a fan of
Oh
Facebook.
my leg. Take it off.
Hey, where we at?
Food. Yum, yum, yum. Why? It seems nervous. Why are you nervous?
No, I'm sleepy, dude.
Okay. No, just making sure. Because if you are, then let me know so I can.
No, I'm sleepy.
Wait, what you gonna do?
No, I'm gonna make sure he feels less nervous.
No, dude.
The guy what?
He's just hungry, that's all.
Are you sure? Don't.
Yeah. Just don't affiliate.
Yeah, I feel bad, but...
It's almost 12 o'clock and we finally got our food.
Yum. Yum. Dude, look, mine looks pretty good, dude. There's a whole ass crab, bro.
Is she...
Hey, Juan, they got
Damn.
it from the fucking beach. They caught him with bare hands.
There you go. Yeah.
Wait, what did you get?
Paticones.
Oh.
Oh, no, not him. He got... So what'd you get, one?
I got... No, casado vegano.
And Brent got more casado, no burger.
My lord.
Hey, man. Hey.
No, I'm gonna get that. So sad.
Ah, bro.
Wait, what?
Dude, if those women were actually Colombian...
So we're not going to the Jaguar Rescue Center. Traffic is too bad. But we decided to stop by this little town here.
Puerto Viejo.
Puerto Viejo. Oh. Alright, the last thing we're doing here at the Black Sand Beach. And now we're going to the airport.